morning from rainy Manhattan Beach, California. I am staying at the Westdrift Hotel for 3 days. I literally just woke up. We are about to do a photo shoot. You guys, today is absolutely crazy, but I will do my best to take you along for somewhat of a day in the life of a corporate event planner. In this case, you guys know if you watch my channel that I do a lot of weddings, but every year I do a handful of corporate events. This is one of them in Los Angeles that I come back for every year because I used to live here and I love this group. It's a group of lawyers. We put together a gala to celebrate their achievements around the time of like the Oscars and Grammys. This year, because of the LA fires, the event, which typically takes place in January, was postponed to March. So I am here for a very quick 3 nights, 4 days before flying back home for a day, and then I'm vacationing in Mexico for 10 days. The other thing I do while I'm out here, as you may or may not know, I have a podcast with my friend Carrie, who is a wedding planner here in Los Angeles, and we only see each other once a year when I come out for this event. So I hire her as an assistant for the event, and then we also get together and do a photo shoot. Like, just want to redo some brand photos because we only have one gallery of photos for our podcast Instagram right now. So obviously we're reusing a lot of the same things. So I'll do some behind the scenes of that. We have hair and makeup coming, so that's why I decided to do some under eye patches. I'm gonna go grab a coffee and then we're just gonna set up. I've got all my clothes laid out for the photo shoot. I always do a newly box before I come out. It's like there's a lot of stuff to think about, but I'm waiting for the hair and makeup to come, so I need to get ready for that, and then I'll take you along.
Because I got the photos and I was like, wait a minute. my nails in.
Ready to stuff bags. It's event day. I'm so tired. I stayed up late last night. I had to go through the PowerPoint. I had to make sure final banquet order was correct. We put the name cards or the table names out last night, which is nice. We got that out of the way. We finished all the gift bags. And today, basically, the catering team is going to do all the place settings and our volunteers are going to put the programs down. I have to load in some vendors this afternoon, but I'm going to try to squeeze in a gym session at the hotel. I know it feels crazy, but I gotta keep going. And then grab breakfast. Got a couple client calls for other events, and then back to setup. It's okay. Thank you.
Nice.
Right, we are gonna set up some flowers. My friend and amazing florist Tiffany is here, work together, and I figured I'd jump in and help. But every table is going to get some clusters of flowers, some floating candles, and I think it'll just be really nice and classic. And we are, let's see, 5 p.m. start time. It's not even noon yet, so we've got lots of time, and I've just got a few more vendors to load in. Well, that's a wrap on the 2025 AMEC event. I am back again next year for the same event. It's really great because it's a reoccurring client. I know what to expect every year. We're gonna do a debrief after this, but otherwise, I mean, I think it went good overall. A couple little snippet things. I think we are changing the scope of the event next year to make it more of a theater style award presentation without the dinner. And we're gonna do like heavy appetizers and cocktails. And then every 5 years, we'll do this bigger dinner portion. So thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye.